please make sure press the subscription and turn on post notification button for more delicious Korean recipe. Your likes and comments really give me a lot of strength. Thank you. Preparation ingredients and chopped vegetables. First, I will season the washed chicken. You can use a chicken breast, but I'm gonna use chicken thigh today. Add a little salt. Add a bit of ground pepper. If you have a medium or a cooking wine, add about 1 tablespoon. Also add a bit of minced garlic. Mix them well. These are curry rice ingredients. Peel the carrot. Cut the carrot at the root and top like this. Peel the washed potatoes. Cut the onion at the root and top like this. Cut the green bell pepper in half and remove the seeds inside. Then I will chop the vegetables. Cut the potatoes in half, then cut it in half again and cut it into bite-sized pieces. If you cut the potatoes too largely from the beginning, it takes a long time to cook, so cut them into appropriate size. Cut the onion in half and cut it into appropriate size. Cut the carrot into a circle and cut it like this. I cut them into smaller sizes than the potatoes. It tastes sweeter when cooked. Cut the green bell pepper to the appropriate size. All the ingredients are ready. Stir-fry ingredients. Although cooking oil can be used to stir-fry the ingredients, using butter makes the curry taste better. So today I will use butter. For seasoned chicken, coat with cornstarch powder. When the butter gets hot enough, add the chicken to the pan and bake it. It tastes much better if you cook chicken like this. Turn the chicken over once in the middle. The chicken is grilling very well. And when the chicken is cooked to some extent, cut it into bite-sized pieces with the scissors. You don't need to cook the chicken fully because I will add water and boil them again later. Put the chicken in a bowl. Next, add a little butter and stir-fry the onion over high heat. Then reduce the heat over medium-high until the onions turn brown. The longer the onion is stirred, the sweeter the curry tastes. When the onion turns brown, add the cut potatoes. Also add the carrots. I will use green pepper to the last. And keep stir-frying. Also add the chicken you've cooked. Again, you do not need to cook all the ingredients fully. Boiling. When all the ingredients are stir-fried, I will add about 4 cups of boiling water. In the beginning, add 3 cups of boiling water. I will use 1 cup of water later. If you add hot water, the ingredients boil quickly and the vegetables will not soften. If you have a lid, cover it and boil it for about 5 minutes. Pour half a cup of water. When the potatoes are cooked to some extent, add curry. There are two major types of curry sold in Korea, and there are powdered and solid curries. Today, I'm gonna use solid curry. Since it's 1 per serving, I will add the pork pieces. Finally, add a sliced green bell pepper. You can adjust the taste at this stage. If it's a bit bland, you can add a pinch of salt or a little soy sauce. Turn off the heat when the potatoes are fully cooked. Very delicious curry rice is done.